Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for May 12th, 2017. Today was a strange day. EMD led the selling, got destroyed, and finally came back a little. The rest of the market slowly came back the whole day. So by the end of the day, ES is down 425, NASDAQ down 5, EMD down 1120. You had the IWM down again, down 97 cents, and I'm going to show you what I think is what's affecting the IWM that I find interesting in here. You had the bonds up all of 6 ticks. You have to understand the bonds are starting to be affected by the Fed possibly talking about unwinding their balance sheet, and also about the Chinese market selling off. I basically think they might be selling our bonds. Transports today down 34. You had the gold up 5. We called this perfectly in the premium on the email alerts that the gold stocks started to look good. Those always go up first. Silver up 10 cents, dollar fractionally higher. Nugget, like I said, up about 8% in here, 7%. Let me just show you on the right the type of charts that I show. I don't like trading 3 times ETFs, but the individual stocks look like this also. When you see something start to sort of stabilize its support, and you see it oversold like you see it, and you see a bull flag, you jump on it. And the beauty is, if you don't jump on the first bull flag, you jump on the second. They really do work. I got to tell you right now, I posted charts of GOLD, AEM, PAAS, ABX, and a number of other ones. I mean, come on. You got to see that bull flag right here. Luckily, I posted this before they went up. Thank goodness. But I'm telling you, those worked. Does that mean that they're in a brand new bull market? Absolutely, positively not. All they were doing is reacting from an oversold condition at support. The more times you could connect the dots for a trend line, the more important. Price support, doji. I mean, these are the things we teach on Simpler Stocks. Look at that doji. And that was it. But the idea is you don't just buy in the doji. You then buy when you see the bull flags. But when the gold stocks go up, then it can take a couple of days for gold to kick in, and that's exactly what happened. Really exciting when those kind of things happen. So, you know, just keep that in mind. So in here, advanced decline all day was weak, down about 600, one time down 1,300, came back later in the day. You had the VIX doing much and nothing, VIX just hovering around that 10 idea. You had the DE Dow down about 0.5%, Nikkei down fractionally, and the Chinese market bouncing not much, up all of 15 cents. So to let you know what I think is going on with the Russell in here, the Russell is all about growth. The Russell is composed of mainly growth stocks in there. The idea in there is if the Russell held where it needed to hold today. You can see this a mile away. Remember I talk about price support? There's your price support. Is it a zone? Absolutely, it's a zone. And it's still in that zone. That's why you usually don't get to plummet mode in these areas. You get to plummet mode if you ever break that, where there's an air hole all the way down. This is just in a zone, and it's very difficult to ever break up or down from that. But the idea I'm looking at in here is the Chinese market selling off is creating some worries about worldwide growth. They're one of the reasons we've gone up worldwide for years. The idea is this is copper on the right. Copper a lot of times is the proxy for growth around the world. As you see, look how similar the chart of copper and the Russell are. Very similar in here. I think if copper breaks right here, you're going to have to worry about the IWM finally breaking down. And if the IWM breaks down, it's going to take the ESs with it. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. We still have the $7 30-day trial for the gold side. So if you get a chance, try to take us up on that. Have a great one.